Hello, beautiful Richard. How are you today? Hello. Hello, little buddy. Hi. Hi. How are you, Richard? Hello. Oh, you look so much better, Richard. Yes, you do. Can you say hello for us? Can you say hello for us? Hello. 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 Oh, you love those cashews, huh? You like cashews? I like them too. They're pretty yummy. They're pretty yummy. Somebody over here singing beautifully. Hello. Are you singing to me? Hello. Hi. Hello. What a cutie. You ready for another, Richard? You ready for another? Hello. Hello, Richard. Hello. Are you making noises? Are you making noises, Richard? What are you trying to tell us something? Are you trying to tell us something? Oh, you're such a good bird. You're such a good bird. Yes, you are. I love you. I love you, Richard.